Okay, so you've been grinding YouTube for 2 weeks now and you still don't have 1 million subscribers? What gives? Is it the unfair algorithm? Because clearly you're making some of the best Fortnite content on the planet. Look at you. You even have a channel banner. Holy shit, dude. Listen. I think you've got the approach all wrong. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to succeed on YouTube in 2019. React videos. Okay, we're going to start off nice and easy. Do you have some sort of degree or skill that was very difficult or expensive to acquire? I don't know, let's say a doctor, a lawyer, an engineer, a hacker maybe. If so, perfect. What better way to make your parents proud that they spent that $250,000 and left their war-torn country on a goddamn boat besides showing them the cool-ass React videos that you've been making? Hey Dad, listen, I appreciate you coming to this country, where they didn't accept your degree and you became a cab driver so I can finish mine. But what I really want to be doing with my doctorate is watching Dr. House on the internet and educating stoners whether he's legit or not, and then just watch the tears pour down his eyes of pure happiness and joy that you've taken this career path. Okay, Nelly, I don't live in a fantasy land where my parents love me and I actually tried in college, so I don't have a degree. Can I still make React videos? Yes, you absolutely can. I'm going to tell you how. This is what I want you to do. I want you to create one list of items that describes you. It could be anything. It could be pet owner, it could be car enthusiast, porn historian, NFL fan. I don't care. It could be the most random or generic stuff. And then I want you to create another set of items, which are, activities, events, teams. It doesn't matter. And I want you to put each set of items into a hat. And then what I want you to do is to pick one item from each hat, and bang, there you have it. React content, not only for today, React content for months. Like, look at this guy. NFL fan reacts to soccer highlights from 10 years ago. You're thinking to yourself, who the fuck is watching this? NFL fans do not care about soccer, and soccer fans do not care about what NFL fans think about soccer. So it doesn't really matter, to be honest. This is like the CSI of content on YouTube, whether it's CSI Miami, CSI New York, CSI Marshall, Illinois. Someone out there will be watching your shitty React videos. Nelly, I'm sorry, I hate to interrupt your little video here, but I'm actually a successful YouTuber, and I've made some really cool, original, viral content, but I'm almost like 24 years old. I kind of want to start phoning it in. Should I make React videos?
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Not only should you make React videos, but you should stop making any other kind of content, because why put the effort into creating something really awesome and original when you can literally just phone it in for 1/10 the effort that's going to get 10 times the views, which is React content. Just start reacting to your brother, to your freaking other YouTuber friends, to your old videos, and just watch that ad revenue pour in. And if you start running out of things to react to, I recommend 2 things. One, start dragging your family members into this, right? They're already disappointed as is in you, so how much worse can it really get? Bring your dad, bring your mom, bring your newborn, it doesn't matter. And make sure they get none of that ad revenue, obviously. A second thing is you can literally turn on YouTube and watch YouTube videos for 40 minutes, and that will be considered content. And you'd be surprised how lazy you can get with your content till you really try being that lazy. Okay, Nelly, I have no degree, I have no skill, I have no creativity, I'm not a successful YouTuber, I don't even want to show my face on camera. Can I still make React videos? You absolutely can. If there's a will, there's a way. And this is what I want you to do. I want you to just go on Twitch and watch a popular Twitch streamer like Ninja, let's say, and just wait for him to react to anything. It could be him reacting to a sneeze. And the moment he does, I want you to clip that video, begin rendering, start making a clickbaity thumbnail, start uploading, and bang, there you have it. That's the beginning of your dope-ass original React Ninja content. And make sure to monetize the videos, obviously, because you clipped it, so it's your content. And just watch your channel explode. One final note here, for channels that have like over 5, 10, 15 million subscribers and have the ability, the influence to get celebrities onto their show, what do you want to do with these celebrities? Do you want to ask them thought-provoking questions that they've never heard before? Or do you want to play some cool game that you've come up with? No, have you not been listening to anything I've been saying? You want them to react to their own existence. Isn't that a freaking clever idea? Just make Kevin Hart react to Kevin Hart memes. That guy, man, he's so funny. I love reacting to all his videos. But that's the end of this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, drop a like if you did. And next week we'll be reacting to Air. Is it overhyped? Do you really need it that badly to survive on this planet? I guess we'll find out next week. Peace.